Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to PM Academy. Dear viewers, today is a great day for the Indian Railways because our the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is will give the link or the lay the foundation stone for the 508 railway stations across the countries under the scheme of Amrit Bharat station scheme. Before coming to the topic, request you to like my channel, subscribe my channel and share my the videos to other friends and colleagues. Now dear students, dear viewers, today is a great day what I told you for the Indian Railways because our beloved Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone for the or laid the foundation stone for the 508 stations across the countries, and out of the 508 stations, and you will see 44 stations will be seen in the state of Maharashtra alone, and this will be under the Amrit Bharat station scheme, and it will be investment around the 25,000 crores. So total the 25,000 crores investment will be there for the development of the 508 stations, and it will be the world class with all the facilities, and this the means actually the station will be the world class with all the modern facilities. And Maharashtra itself, that means 44 stations will get the investment of the 1696 crores. And now what happens actual 580 stations are there. Now we have to see what type of things will take place in the 508 stations to make it a world class stations. First, the station to be redeveloped as a city center with the provisions amenities like the roof plaza, shopping zone, food court, kids play area, etc. Then also second step, the provision of the segregated entry and the exit points or multi-level parking, lifts, escalators, executive lounge, waiting area, travelators, Divyangjan friendly facilities. And one thing will be added, another thing, with the integration of multi-modal connectivity, the redeveloped stations will become the center of the socio-economic activities of the regions. Means actuals, when the 508 stations will get the world-class facility and the look will be the complete different, it will attract a lot of people, and also it will be the lot of socio-economic activities will the take place side by side. So 44 Maharashtra in the Maharashtra states, 44 stations will be covered up, like Ahmednagar, Akurdi, Aurangabad, Bandera, Balharsa, Chalisgaon, Chandapur, Chandrapur, Daund, Dhamangaon, Ganga, Kher, Godhani, Gondia, Hinganghat, Hingoli Deccan, Jalna, Kanjurmarg, Katol, Kinwat, Kolhapur, Kopargaon, Kurduvadi Junction, Latur, Malkapur, Manmad Junction, Budkhed Junction, Nagarsol, Narkher Junction, Osmanabad, Pandarpur, Parbhani Junction, Parel, Parli, Baijnath, Partur, Pulgaon Junction, Purna Junction, Selu, Sevagram, Segaon, Solapur, Talegaon, Bikroli, Vatsa, Wasim. In this way, 44 stations will be covered, and we will see actual our the Prime Minister already laid the foundation stone at the 11 a.m. today, and today is also Friendship Day. We can say that actual our the Prime Minister as a friend of the our nations. So it is a great day for the Indian Railways because very soon the Indian Railways see 508 new stations or 500 These the stations will be the redeveloped and will be seen as the world class stations, and with the all social activities will take place, having the good infrastructure, good facilities within the stations. This is for today. Thank you very much.